guys, it's Cool again with another video, and well, this format is basically unboxing format. I've got something really cool, so stay tuned for that. So guys, if you are someone who is interested in robotics, if you're interested in computers, if you are generally someone who is interested in the latest technology, you will probably know that Raspberry Pi is a very important piece of hardware. And since the Raspberry Pi 1, something new and great has happened. That is the Raspberry Pi 4. And well, I got a Raspberry Pi 4. Now, this thing is out of stock everywhere. I checked and checked. During the first week, it was just not available. Just had to wait for in a list somewhere. Finally got a message at about 1 o'clock in the night that it was available. Bought it right away. Took about a week to get here, and it actually came here. Let's just unbox it and see what we get. First of all, there is some sort of documentation which I do want to read. Okay, so that is the invoice. So this is where I got it from. It's crazypi.com. Pretty good website. It has a lot of facts and hacks for Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi I got is the 4 gigabytes version. It's a Raspberry Pi 4, has better processor, better USB, better almost everything. So I'm really happy about it. So let's get started with the unboxing on the package now. Yeah, there are a few things because Raspberry Pi 4 requires a little bit more extra stuff. If you are someone who has been following Raspberry Pi, you will probably know that Raspberry Pi has some sort of controversy regarding its USB port, which is fair enough. It is a problem and it is something which they should have looked into, but I mean, I'm pretty okay with it because I don't have a lot of USB cables lying around. I do need a new USB cable, so I just figured out I'll just buy new. So I just bought a USB charger which comes with the Raspberry, which should work really well. So if you don't know what the issues are, Type-C charging port which comes with the Pi is not certified by the USB Foundation. So it doesn't have 2 diodes, which it should have. It only has 1 diode. So what happens is if you have a very powerful charger like goes in for a laptop, which is like the MacBook and all that, it doesn't recognize the Pi as a computer or a power drawing device. It just recognizes it as a headphone or a something which does not require power, so it refuses to charge it. So that has gotten a very bad rep, and people are saying that the Pi should be boycotted and all that. So here is one thing which is essential for the Raspberry Pi 4. This is a mini HDMI to a full HDMI. For some reason it is LG. I'm not really sure if you can reach that. So that is there. And we have a original charger which is required because, as I've said, USB Type-C is important. This is a Type-C charger which comes from Raspberry. It is white. For some reason I didn't want white, I needed black, but it will do. So as you can see, you have the Pi logo here, full things. I also got the Pi case, if you are wondering, because the Pi 4 has a very different layout. It doesn't work with the Pi 3 cases, so I had to get the Pi 4 case with the mini HDMI stuff. I got this earlier from Amazon, so that's pretty cool. Finally, we have the Raspberry Pi 4 4GB version, which is, I've waited a long time for this. So here it is. So 64-bit quad core A70 Cortex A72 processor, 4 gigs of LPDDR4 RAM, 2 HDMI ports, supports 2 4K 60 Hz, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, gigabit Ethernet port, awesome, wireless AC, great, Bluetooth 5.0, PoE capable, so it does require a hat for it. This thing is required, that is the amperage which is available, which is a 3 amp power brick, so I also do need that. Let's open this up and see how it comes. Let's see, here it is. Oh god, it's here. So here is the Raspberry Pi 4GB version. I wanted the 4GB version because, well, I'll let you know what I'm planning to use this for. There you have it. That is the Raspberry Pi 4. I'm excited about it. I am just looking forward to using this now. We have a safe user guide for it, which is cool, and we also have a card which shows what is there and yeah, stuff, whatever it is available. Now, what I want to tell you guys is how I'm actually planning to use the Raspberry Pi. Now, if you look over there, that is my computer which I'm using as my server, and my NAS box. Basically, I want to convert the Raspberry Pi into a NAS box with two USB 3.0 and a gigabit Ethernet port, it will probably work. So I'll be using OMV. We'll try and get it done as soon as possible. That's pretty much it. Just want to let you guys know that this is something which is happening and it is a possibility. If it actually works, I will let you know how to do it or how I have done it. It should be interesting. So yeah, I guess that much is it about the video. Then hope you guys like the video. Please share, subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. See you guys next time. Bye.